Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to convert days to months in Excel. So, you've got a bunch of data in days and you need to see it represented in months? Excel doesn't have a direct function for a straight days to months conversion. But don't worry, we have a few easy workarounds. In this video, we'll cover two main methods. First, a simple calculation based on an average number of days per month, and second, a more accurate method using Excel's date and edate functions to account for varying month lengths. We'll break down each step clearly, so you'll be a pro at converting days to months in Excel in no time. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Simple calculation, average days per month. Okay. So the simplest way is to use an average. We'll assume an average of 30.44 days per month. Why 30.44? Well, there are roughly 365.25 days in a year, accounting for leap years, and 365.25 divided by 12 months is about 30.44. Asterisk step 1. Locate your days data asterisk first. Identify the column in your Excel sheet that contains the number of days you want to convert. Let's say it's in column A, starting from cell A2. Asterisk step 2. Create a new column for months asterisk. Create a new column next to your days column. Let's say it's column B, where you'll calculate the equivalent number of months. Label this column something like months, approximate. Asterisk step 3. Enter the formula asterisk in cell B2, enter the following formula, equals A2/30.44. This formula divides the number of days in cell A2 by our average of 30.44 days per month. Asterisk step 4. Copy the formula down asterisk click on cell B2, and then drag the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply the formula to all the other cells in your column. This will automatically calculate the approximate number of months for each corresponding number of days. Asterisk step 5. Formatting. Optional, you can format the results to show a specific number of decimal places if you want. Just select the column and use the number formatting options on the Home tab. This method is quick and easy, but keep in mind it's an approximation. It doesn't take into account the actual length of each month. Section 2. Accurate calculation, date and edate functions. For a more accurate conversion, we'll use Excel's date and edate functions. This method will accurately calculate the number of months based on starting and ending dates. Asterisk step 1. Set a start date asterisk in a separate cell, let's say cell D1, enter a start date. For example, January 1st, 2023. This is your reference point. Asterisk step 2, locate your days data asterisk again, find your column with a number of days, column A, starting from A2. Asterisk step 3, create a new column for months asterisk, create another new column, let's say column C. Label it months, accurate. Asterisk step 4, enter the formula asterisk in cell C2, enter this formula, equals datediff, D1, date, year, D1, month, D1, day D1 plus A2, M. Let's break down this formula. Asterisk datediff calculates the difference between two dates in a specified unit, in our case, M for months. Asterisk D1 is our start date. Asterisk date, year D1, month, D1, day D1 plus A2, constructs the end date by adding the number of days in A2 to our start date in D1. Asterisk step 5. Copy the formula down asterisk just like before, drag the small square at the bottom right corner of cell C2 down to apply the formula to all the other cells in the column. Now, column C will accurately display the number of whole months between your start date and the end date created by adding the days from column A. Section 3. Important considerations. Asterisk datediff limitations asterisk. It's worth noting that datediff can sometimes behave unexpectedly. The results you get might not be exactly what you expect for partial months. This formula focuses on whole months. Asterisk choose the right method asterisk. The best method for you will depend on how precise you need to be. The simple calculation is great for quick estimates, while the date and edate method is more accurate when date precision is essential. Section 4. Wrap up. And there you have it. 2 different ways to convert days to months in Excel. We covered using an average, as well as using the date and edate functions for more accuracy. Hopefully, this helps you manage your data more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, Please give us a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more handy Excel tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other Excel topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next Rome Tech video.